Welcome back to NG Auto Review, where today we're diving into a machine that redefines both opulence and finality, the extraordinary 2026 Bentley Batur Convertible by Mulliner. Imagine a sleeker silhouette that follows in the footsteps of its Batur coupe sibling, but with an open-air twist, complete with a ducktail rear spoiler and a sculpted air bridge behind the seats. The soft top, stunning in both form and function, folds or unfolds in just 19 seconds, even at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, pure craftsmanship in motion. Under the hood lies a hand-assembled 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12 engine, churning out a staggering 750 PS and roughly 1,000 Nm of torque. Equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox feeding all-wheel drive, this beast launches from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 3.4 to 3.9 seconds depending on source, with a top speed approaching 335 km per hour, an electrifying farewell to Bentley's iconic W12 lineup. Step inside, and you're immersed in Mulliner's 1+1 cabin philosophy. The driver's zone contrasts sharply in beluga black leather with mandarin stitching, while the passenger side embraces lighter tones, creating a visual and tactile dialogue between zones. Fine materials dominate: Alcantara, gloss veneers, satin black fascia, even 3D printed rose gold details at touchpoints like the drive mode dial and organ stop vents. Clients can push personalization to a near limitless degree, from two-tone paints to unique gold-plated grills. Each of the 16 convertibles is a bespoke masterpiece. Finally, let's talk numbers. With production capped at just 16 units, this isn't merely exclusive, it's singular. The price reflects that rarity, around €2.58 million, roughly $2.8 million, making it one of the final high-combustion engine statements before Bentley transitions fully into electrification. That wraps our journey through the 2026 Bentley Batur Convertible, where design, performance, and luxury fuse into a singular, unforgettable experience. If you'd love to see more reviews of rare and remarkable cars like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching NG Auto Review. See you next time.